Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by loading film so the camera can record images. This is the immediate action. Open the back, place the 35mm cassette, and thread the leader onto the take-up spool. Once done, advance the film to ensure engagement. Make sure the rewind knob turns when you wind the advance lever. Next, set the camera's ISO dial to match the film box speed. This tells the meter how sensitive the film is. After that, cock the shutter with the advance lever so the camera is ready to shoot. Once your film is loaded and ISO set, you proceed to measure light and compose. Look through the viewfinder and read the meter. Adjust shutter speed or aperture until the meter needle or indicator suggests correct exposure. Choose aperture for depth of field, a small f number for background blur, a larger one for more focus. Focus manually using the split image or microprism patch, and then recompose if needed. Finally, cock the shutter if not already ready. When you finish each shot by advancing the film fully with the lever. This both indexes the next frame and cocks the shutter so you can continue shooting. When the roll is done, press the rewind release if present and rewind the film back into the cassette before opening the back. If something goes wrong, film not advancing, check that the leader is properly seated on the take-up spool or that it didn't tear. If the meter fails, use the Sunny 16 rule as a reliable manual fallback.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.